Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here's our last example. First thing I want to point out is the homework down here is not in your textbook, so let's get rid of that. Let's take a look at the question that we have to do. They want us to find the length of CD. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of work here. You'll see that I've got a triangle here, EFD. So I've got this triangle here. I got another triangle here. I want to find CD. I only have two angles. I don't have enough working only in this triangle CED. I need some more information in triangle CED. In fact, I would really like to know side ED. So I'm going to work in triangle EFD first. And I'm going to notice that I've got two sides and the contained angle. I can't use the sine law. I don't have enough information, but I can use the cosine law for this side. ED squared, this side length, will equal the other two side lengths squared. Subtract 2, the other two side lengths, cosine the angle opposite. There we go. So let's figure it out. So I'm going to start here, 92.4 cosine times 3.9 equals times 2.5 equals times 2, and I make it negative with my negative button, equals, now I've done all of that. I'm now going to plus 3.9 squared equals, I'm going to plus 2.5 squared equals, and it gives me this number, and that'll be ED squared. But if I do second function square root, I get ED equals 4.7 meters. So I get the answer in one foul swoop. If you can put all this into your calculator, that's great too. Learn how to use your calculator. I don't care. 4.7 is now this. So now in triangle CED, I'm now going to try to find the length of CD. That's here. Taking a look at what I've got a side length and two angles. Well, I'm going to get my third angle by using ASTT. So angle C is going to equal 180 minus 56.7 minus 48.2. 180 minus 56.7 minus 48.2 equals 75.1. Okay, now I've got this. I've got a side opposite it. I can use this to get the side opposite it. So, C in CED, CD over the sine of 56.7 will equal 4.7 over sine of 75.1. CD will therefore equal, let me pan out a little bit, sine 56.7, that's just a number, 4.7 sine 75.1. Finish that off. 56.7 sine times 4.7 equals, divided by 75.1 sine equals, CD equals approximately 4.1 centimeters, which is right here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. Your homework is going to be in your workbook following these pages that you were working on. Go through and find them. And what I'd like you to do is, let's do 2, and let's do 3, and 3 goes all the way up to here, and let's stop there. And I do believe that there are answers on the back here. Okay, so you're simply going to do 2, all of it, and 3, all of it down to there. So it comes down here, and it comes down here. And remember, all of these pages are from your workbook. Okay, guys, we'll see you Friday.